you, babes.
Babes? I haven't been called that in many years. Babes.
This shocking body cam footage captures a dramatic arrest where a woman denies everything, even with undeniable evidence. Was she really unaware of the chaos she caused? Let's break down exactly what happened in this intense DUI arrest. Today, we're diving into an intense body cam incident where police confront a woman suspected of a DUI hit and run. Stay tuned as we analyze every crucial moment to understand what went down.
Hey, come here. Get back. Back. Yeah, you crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Yeah, you did.
I did not.
Here, take these from you.
And?
Okay, turn around and put your hands behind your back for the moment till we figure out what's going on, okay?
Okay.
The officer spots the woman, who appears confused and defensive. Right from the start, she refuses to acknowledge the claims against her. Despite multiple witnesses and visible damage to her car, she insists she's done nothing wrong.
You crashed into a bunch of cars.
I did not.
Okay, we got a bunch of calls on you. Huh?
I did not. You're not.
Man,
No. We gotta call my attorney.
I don't care about your attorney right now, okay?
Okay, so what do I do?
Stop.
No,
Okay,
you're gonna stop. You're gonna stop.
Man, don't make me do this bull. Okay?
Listen, we're not doing this bull.
I know. Stop. Okay, I don't care what we're doing. Okay? Now I'm gonna put you in the car.
No, you're not.
Things take a turn when the officer tries to detain her. She resists, making the situation even worse for herself. The officer tries to secure her in the car, but she refuses to cooperate. Now, this is where it really starts to spiral out of control.
Okay,
Put your feet in.
Thank you. That's really tight.
Well, because you kept trying to snatch away from me.
I did not. My handcuffs are really tight. They're bleeding.
We're not bleeding.
They're hurting me really bad.
We're not comfortable.
They're really bad.
Well, you shouldn't have tried to snatch away from me.
I did not try to snatch away from you.
Well, I mean...
Please loosen them up.
Okay, I will shortly, okay? Or we'll figure it out. But if you're going to keep being uncooperative with me, I'm not going to do it.
Loosen them up.
I will if you stop being uncooperative with me shortly.
I'm not being uncooperative with you.
Ma'am, you're on body cam video, okay?
Absolutely, that's fine.
So,
4659, St. John, 1012, 434.
Loosen my...
Fine, thank
How's that?
alright, turn that way. You're not getting out. Turn that way. Put your foot back in.
Can you pull...
I'm looking. I'm trying to see how tight they are.
They're really tight.
Okay, turn that way.
Once in handcuffs, she suddenly shifts her focus, claiming they're too tight and causing her pain. But the officer remains firm, explaining that resistance made the situation worse. He assures her that they will check the cuffs, but only if she stops resisting. At this point, the officer smells alcohol on her breath. This prompts a field sobriety test to confirm his suspicions. "I smell a strong odor of alcohol. Have you been drinking?" She continues to deny everything, even when faced with video evidence and witness statements. The officer remains patient, but firm.
Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to conduct a criminal investigation for DUI. Okay? And since you were seen driving a vehicle, I want to make sure that you're okay. Okay. So what we're going to do? So what we're going to do? Yeah. So what we're going to do? We're going to take them off, and then we're going to do some what's called field sobriety test. There's a nice white line over there.
That works.
Come on out, young lady.
Please, I can't.
What's your first name?
You can step out.
Anastasia.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and step out. I'll take them off.
So bad.
I'll take them off for you, okay?
No. Hold
You
on.
okay?
No. I'm naked.
Okay, well, I don't need to... Well, how about we pull this up for you? We don't want you to be naked. Okay? Go ahead and turn around. We'll take them off for you.
Thank you.
All right, when I tell you to do so, what I want you to do is put your right hand on top of your head until I tell you to take it down, all right? All right. All right. I appreciate your cooperation.
Thank you, babes.
Babes? I haven't been called that in many years.
Listen,
Babes.
I'm a dancer.
You're a what?
Dancer.
A dancer? What kind of dance? Huh? Adult dancer. Okay. Not wrong with that.
Okay, I'm done.
We all have to make a living, right?
Sure do.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So what I need for you to do is I need for you to come over here with me, and we're going to make sure that you're okay. Do me a favor. See this line right here? What I need for you to do is put your hands together. Tell him I'm sensitive.
Who there? Somebody calling you?
Brent.
I got it.
So you don't want to do the
But-
question I've asked you? Okay. At this point, you are going to be placed under arrest.
All right,
Yes,
man.
ma'am. I will be gentle. I'm always
Hey,
gentle.
stop.
I'm always gentle.
Okay.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
Thank you.
I'm always,
Okay,
always
sounds good.
gentle. Okay?
Yeah.
And I'll put these nice and
Yeah.
loose on you so they
Thank
won't
you.
hurt your wrist. Okay?
Thank you. You're amazing. Thank you.
We're here to help you.
I know you are. You're being nice. He was not being nice. You're being nice.
Who wasn't being nice? My boss? My boss is a super, super nice guy.
You're super nice. You're being super nice. Okay. Oh my God. Hold on. Stop. My shoe is flying off. My is off.
I don't need to know anything about your
Can someone like...
stuff.
We're working on it.
No. Can you like...
You're good now.
We moved you so the wind doesn't blow where things can be shown.
Thank you.
All right. At this time, you are being placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Okay.
And I have to read a few things for you, but we can do that in the car.
Okay.
All right? Come on over here.
Whoa,
You
easy.
okay?
No, you tripped me. What the
Come on, you can't walk very well. That's the
No,
problem.
he tripped me.
He
What
didn't
the
trip
fuck?
you. Relax.
How many?
You were being so nice to me, and now you're yelling at me.
I am.
I don't need your stuff to be here. I'll fix your tie, okay? There you go. All right. Go ahead and have a seat. I gotta read you a few things, okay? I want you to pay attention, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. You understand each of these rights that I have explained to you.
Yes, I do.
Now, with these rights in mind, you want to talk to me about what's going on today?
I wonder why you calling me to the side.
Okay. Well, we'll start with the hit and run. Okay. Over in the Petco parking lot, you hit a car. Okay. So you were seen by a person hitting their car.
Okay.
Okay. You have damage consistent with the damage.
Actually, I have damage from my previous accident 2 months ago that I didn't fix from Mercedes.
Okay.
I can testify to the Mercedes-Benz accident
Okay.
because I was hit 2 months ago. That is not true. I can testify and I can show you the records.
Okay.
I can show you if you let me put my phone.
I'm not doing the crash investigation.
not.
Deputy Klauser
I
is
did
doing
not
the
hit
crash
nobody.
investigation. And what'll happen is you'll get the
Okay.
paperwork for that.
Yeah, that's
okay?
fine.
But I'm doing the criminal investigation,
That's fine.
and that's for DUI. Okay.
This case serves as a clear example of why resisting law enforcement never ends well. In the end, the woman was charged with DUI, leaving the scene of a crash and resisting arrest. What do you think? Was she truly unaware of what happened, or was this just an attempt to escape the consequences? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more real-life body cam footage explained, make sure to like and subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.